Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is the Nokia 5.1. The latest in an increasingly large collection of affordable Android smartphones from HMD. Now it has a 5.5-inch 18:9 ratio Full HD Plus display on the front, and that's built into a phone made from 6000 series aluminium, with the usual selection of ports and buttons. Now, bucking the current smartphone trend, there's only one camera on the back. It's a 16 megapixel sensor and comes with a selection of useful modes, including the manual mode that lets you customize a lot of the settings yourself. Like all recent Nokia phones, it's an Android One device, which means it runs a pure stock version of Android. It's Oreo in this instance, but it will get Android P when that's released. Inside, it's powered by an octa-core MediaTek processor and comes with either 2 or 3 gigabytes of RAM and 16 or 32 gigabytes of storage with micro SD card support. Now, it's going to launch in July and prices will start at just €189. I've been Cam, I'll see you again soon.